Dear students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are fine at your place. Children, it is already informed you that your half-yearly exams are about to come and you have to prepare yourself, okay? And you have to work very hard for this. You have done very well in your first term exam, but still I want you to score good marks. And children, make sure that you will do your test of your own. I request all the parents that please monitor your child while they are giving their exam, but do not help them. Okay, it is a kind of a test and you have to check whether they are doing their test properly or not. Okay children, now one more important thing I would like to discuss with you is that you will get marks for the assignments or the homework which you will send to us. Okay, the homeworks, assignments till yet we have sent to you, you will be awarded marks for that. Okay, so make sure the students who have not sent their homeworks or assignments till yet, make sure to send it as soon as possible. Okay, and children, complete your assignment on time and send it to me on my mail. Okay children, so children, as we have done with the revision of chapter 1 in our video, now in this video I'll be going to do with the revision of chapter number 2. Okay children, so let's get ready. So children, in this chapter we have studied that a computer system is made up of many parts. So it is divided into two parts, hardware and software. Computer system is divided into how many parts? Two parts, hardware and software. And what are hardwares? Hardwares are the physical components of a computer. Means the components, the parts of which you can see, which you can touch. Okay. And what are softwares? Softwares are the set of programs, means the codings, okay, which make the hardware work. Okay. Without a software, hardware do not work. They are like empty boxes. Okay, so we require softwares, means set of programs to make a hardware work. Got it children? So what is a software? What would be the definition of software? It is a set of programs provided to a computer for smooth of its physical or hardware components. So now children, that is all about the software. Now we'll discuss about the types of software. Now what are the types of software? How many types of software are there? Yes children, there are two types of software. They are system software, SW means software, application software. Okay children, two types of software are there, system software and application software. Got it? Now let us understand the difference between the system software and application software. See children, system software is a set of programs which is designed to control and manage various activities of computer system. Means system software manages and controls all the activities of a computer system. Okay, it will manage all the activities. And what about application software? Application softwares are the set of programs which are designed for the user, means us, for us. And for what? About their particular tasks, means it is designed for a particular task. Like if I want to do painting on a computer, I would require software. Okay, the MS Paint is an application software because it is for us, that the paint program is for the users who wants to draw or paint on a computer. Okay, the same way if you want to listen to any song, if you want to watch movies on computer, so for that purpose also we would require some special softwares. So that which software would you require for that? Yes, Windows Media Player or VLC Media Player. Okay, so for this we require particular softwares. So those are the application softwares, okay, which are used to do particular task. Okay, They will not manage the whole computer system. They are designed for particular task, to carry out the particular task. So now let us discuss about the types of system software. Now children, system software is further divided into these parts. Now what are they? Operating system. Operating system is a set of program which controls all the activities, all the resources of a computer system. It makes sure that a computer work in an efficient manner. Okay children? Next, compiler. Now, what is a compiler? A compiler converts the whole user's program, means the set of instructions which users, into machine code in one. Now, children, why there is a need of a compiler and what is a user's, what is a machine code? Now children, as you all know that a computer is an electronic machine, it does not understand our language. So to make a computer work, we have to write down some set of instructions so that a computer can work. Means we have to write down some codings in which a computer can work. So that language, the coding which we are writing, means the set of instructions which we are giving to a computer, it will not understand it directly. So we require a device or a medium which can convert this language, means user's program, into machine language. Okay, as a computer is a machine, so it will understand machine language. And what is machine language? The language written in form of 0 and 1 states, 0 and 1, which is called digits. Okay, so that is why if we want to make a machine work, it would require a language which a machine can understand. So we cannot write a language using only zeros and ones, so we write the languages in high level languages in which English is used. Okay, so computer will not understand English directly, so we have designed a device like compiler which can convert our language into machine language so that a machine can easily understand it. Okay children, so now interpreter also work as same as compiler. It will also convert the user's program into machine code, but here there is one big difference. Now what is that? A compiler converts user program into machine code in one go. Means suppose you have brought this notebook to me, ma'am please check it. I have just put a sign on it, means in one go I have just checked it. Okay, now a interpreter converts user's program into machine code line by lines. Means suppose you have given me this notebook and I have to check it, so I will check it line by line. I will check the spellings, I will check the punctuation marks. I am checking your notebook line by line. I am checking the errors line by line. The same way interpreter also converts the user language into machine language line by line. Okay children, so this is one of the big difference between the compiler and interpreter. Similarity is that they both convert the user program into machine code. Okay, but the difference is that a compiler converts the user program into machine code in one go and interpreter converts the user program into machine code line by line. Okay children, now come to the next, utility software. Utility software is of a system software. Utility software makes sure that computers, devices or programs work smoothly. Okay, it manages them. It manages all the devices, all the resources, all the programs of your computer system. Okay children, like if there is any virus attack on your computer system, so you would require utility software like antiviruses. Okay, so antivirus then scanning process is already available in your computer system. So the scanning process is the utility software. Okay, means it will remove the errors or junk files from your computer system. Children, so now let us discuss about the major operations of utility software. What are the major operations of utility software? Yes children, first one, what is a backup? Backup is a process of copy on an external hard disk or pen drive. Now children, backup allows you to save your data on an external hard disk or so that you can use them if they get lost from your computer system. Okay, means it will create a duplicate copy of the files on your external hard disk or pen drive. Okay children. Next is scanning. Scanning means detecting and removing viruses from computer hard disk. Now what are viruses? Viruses are the unwanted data which enters into your computer system and it disturbs the normal functioning of your computer. Okay, so scanning detects them and removes the error from your computer system so that your computer can work smoothly. Okay, next is disk defragmentation, means collecting file information from various parts of a disk at one place. Now what it does, disk fragmentation is a process which collects the scattered file segments of a file into one place. Okay, fragmented parts. Fragmented means scattered parts of your files in one place. That process is called disk defragmentation. So now let us discuss about the operation support system. Okay, what is its abbreviation form? OS. Full form of OSS is Operation Support System. It is a system software used by telecommunication service providers as network support system. Now children, what are the telecommunication service providers? These are the companies which provide us telephone connections. Okay. Now these companies use this kind of system software so that they can manage their telephone networks. Okay. Here are the facilities which are provided by the operation support system. First one is it manages service assurance. It makes sure that all the services are provided to you and they work in an efficient manner. Next is service delivery. They make sure that all the services are delivered to you properly. Next is service fulfillment. Whatever services are delivered to you, they make sure that they will fulfill all the requirements. Okay. Next, network management. With the support system, they manages the network, telephone network, connectivity. Okay. Next is customer care, means whatever query you have, whatever questions you have, you can ask them by calling a care number. Okay children, so that is why these companies use operation support system. It is a kind of what? System software. Okay children, so far we have discussed about the types of system software. Okay, now we'll discuss about the types of application software. Application software is divided into two parts. First is special purpose application software and the second one is general purpose application software. Okay children, now what is a special purpose application software? It is an application software which is designed to carry out only one type of task. Means using this software we can do only a particular task. Like let's take an example. Tally. What is a tally? Tally is an accounting software. Most of the shops or companies use tally accounting software which manages all the account oriented tasks, mean the amount oriented. Okay, in which they take care of the amount, how much amount is taken, how much amount is given, this kind of task. Okay, next is income. Now what do you mean by inventory children? Inventory means stock. Stock of what? Goods. Stock of goods. Now what are goods? Goods means the things which are available in your company or in shop. Okay, so the companies or the shops use inventory control system, this kind of application software in which they manages the number of goods, how much they have received, how much they have how much they have sold, how many goods they have purchased, this kind of things they will manage in inventory control system. Okay children, so these are the softwares which are specially designed for a single purpose to carry out the task. Okay, now next comes general purpose application softwares. Okay, general purpose software application softwares are the softwares which are designed to carry out different tasks of the user. Let's take an example. Word processor. Now word processor means MS Word, or WordPad. These are the word processors which helps the user to type a letter, print a letter, or any notice or any application. Okay, you can do various tasks on word processor. Okay, children. Next, spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is also a general purpose application software in which we arrange all the data in a tabular form, in a table form, in the form of rows and columns. We arrange the data. Okay, children. Now, one more thing we can do on it, that we can calculate also. If we have entered any numerical data on a computer system, we can calculate it also. Okay, we can perform many calculations on it. So spreadsheet is used for various purposes for a user. Okay, next is media player. Media players help us to listen the audio files or the video files. Audio means sound, video means the pictures or the graphics we can see. Okay, so we can play music file, video file on a computer system using this software. Also, we can create a music file or a video file using media player. So they are used for various purposes for a user. Okay, children. So these are the types of general purpose software. So now, children, so far we have the revision of this chapter. Okay, now as I have already explained all the content of this chapter in details in my previous videos which I have already sent you. Okay, you can also learn from there. If you have any doubt, still you have any doubt, you can check my earlier videos and you can those videos. So children, again I am telling you that you have to revise and you have very hard at your home, and you have to do the self-study for scoring good marks. Okay, children. So I'll take your leave. Do the review at home, do self-study, and score good marks. Okay, children. I'll be meeting soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.